How to place an order on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now you can scroll down and go through the items, or also you can search for any of the item that you want to purchase. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Once you find out the item, click on it. Select the quantity and details for it, such as color and the size. Then click on Add to Cart. Do the same for other items as well. Once you are done selecting the items, head over to the cart section. Now in this page, you're going to find all the items that you have selected to purchase. Check in for the items that you want to purchase right away. Then click on Checkout. Now provide your shipping address. Select the shipping method, payment method. If you have coupon, you can apply it. And here you're going to find all the details of your products. Now I can click on Submit Order and confirm your order. So this way you are able to place an order on Temu. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.